What's up, millionaires? Today we are out in Colorado. We're in Denver, Colorado at one of our storage facilities. Now, this storage facility we bought about 3 months ago. So we're gonna be going through and we're gonna be finding out what units are not occupied, because when we bought this property, we knew that some of these units were vacant, but they had an old lock on them. So we're gonna be cutting those locks today and getting the new units online and available for rent. As we sign these new leases with these new tenants, basically what we're doing is we're increasing the income of this property. And once we get this unit operating at 100% efficiency and all the income is coming in from these units, we're gonna go ahead and list this property for sale. So even though we've only owned this property for 3 months, we've already squeezed out all of the value that we can add from this property. And the reason that I choose to do that with my investments is because I think that value add is more important than appreciation. Because I can come in here and I can reduce the expenses, I can increase the income, and then I can list this property for more in a short period of time, while appreciation will only go up with the market. So I can force appreciate this property, take out my money, buy another property, and then force appreciate that one.